Good morning, dear students. My name is Shashank Verma, and yesterday we discussed menstruation chapter part 2, and today we will going to discuss menstruation part 3. Dear student, so in this part we will also discuss some different type of questions. Dear student, so now let's start. Yesterday we discussed till question number 10.2 we have to discuss. So in 10.2 some question we discussed. So again I am going to discuss some other question for clearing your basic concept. So now 12 question we discussed, 13 we also discussed. Come on, question number 15. Question number 15. Exercise 10.1. Exercise 10.1. Question number 15. Yes, student. What is given in the question? Sweetie runs around a square path of side 75. Yani side of a square path is equal to 75. Clear, student? Now next is Bulbul runs around a rectangular path. Yani side of a rectangular path, side of a rectangular path is equal to 60 meter and length. Sorry, side of rectangular path means student length of for rectangle, length of rectangular path is equal to what? 60 meter. Clear, student? And breadth equal to 55, and breadth of a rectangular path equal to what is given? 45. अब student in this question what is given? Side of square path is given, length and breadth of a rectangular path is given. Clear, student? So it is given कि who covers less distance. Clear, student? Who cover less distance? अब one question will come in your mind. In this question we have to find out area or perimeter. Clear, student? अब it is given what, student? Who covers less distance? So distance is, student, what? I explain what? If this is a diagram, let us suppose this is a rectangle, and you have to find out total distance. So what you will do? You will add all the sides, this all four sides. Clear? If any diagram is given like this type of diagram is given. Clear? So if you have to find out total length, student, you have to find out what you will do. You will add all the sides. Then you will find out total length. Now I explain total length means total distance means what? It means perimeter. Simply the total distance means if a void covers a distance of 60 meters. This is what? This is total distance covered by the void. Clear? So total distance is total length. Total length and total length is termed as perimeter. Clear? It is depend on perimeter of what type of path is given. Square is given, rectangle is given, a circle is given. It's depend on the path. Okay. So in this you have to find out who cover less distance. So first you will find out distance covered by what is the given? Distance covered by Sweetie. Distance covered by Sweetie. Okay. So how you will find distance covered by Sweetie, student? Side of a square is given 75 meter. You know that the perimeter of a square is equal to 4 into side. So what you will do? 4 into side is 75 meter to write on 75. Clear? So this will become what? 4 5 ja 20. 4 7 ja 28. 28 plus 2 student 30. So this is the distance covered by Sweetie. Okay? Total distance covered by Sweetie. Now next thing is this is 300 meter. So now next thing is distance covered by Bulbul. So length of rectangular path is 60 meter and length of rectangular path equal to 45. And this is information given for Bulbul. Yani you can write down distance covered bulbul. Distance covered by bulbul is equal to, now we know that this is the length of rectangle and breadth of rectangle. So what is the formula of the length and breadth of a rectangle, student? You know that perimeter 2l plus v. Yesterday I explained about the formula, student. Clear? So here I am writing distance covered by bulbul. Clear, student? So bulbul, here we will write down distance covered by bulbul. Equal to 2l plus this one, the 2. What was the distance is given? This length is given what? Length is given 60 meter and breadth is given 45. Here I am writing bulbul. It means distance covered by bulbul. You will write down. There 2. Nothing is going to multiply. 60 plus 45 means that 5. 6 plus 4 10. Clear, student? So this is 105. Now when you will solve this, it will become what? 2 5 10, 2 1 2. So 200 meter it is coming. Clear? So here you will decide. You can also decide the distance covered by bulbul equal to 210 meter or distance covered by sweetie equal to 300 meter. Clear, student? So who covered this distance? So you can write down bulbul covers less distance as compared to sweetie. Clear, student? You can say bulbul covers less distance as compared to sweetie because you know that bulbul covered 210 meter and sweetie covers 300 meter. So who is more? Who is less? Bulbul is less. By how much? We will subtract, then we will find. Clear, student? I think this question is clear with the proper concept. You have to find out total distance. Student, you have to find out what perimeter. Clear? Okay. Now next question. What is the perimeter of the each figure? Question number 16 is very easy. You will do yourself. Diagram is given when you have to find the perimeter. Now exercise 10.2 you will also do yourself based on diagram. So try to do yourself. Now exercise 10.3. Exercise 10.3. So what is this given, student? Find the area. Now you know that, student, area equal to what? Area of rectangle. In previous lecture we discussed the formula of the area of the rectangle. It is what? It is L into B. Means L represent what? L represent length, B represent breadth, and unit is, you know that. Acha, one important thing. If you have to find area L into B, so you know that if L is given, like L is given 3 meter, okay, and breadth is given 2 meter. So here you have to focus on one thing. If meter and meter, how many times it is given? And multiply sign is clear. So 3 to your 6 we will write down. Okay, this is correct. But meter, here 1 meter and here 1 meter. Okay. So if multiply is given, clear? Remember this is if multiply is given and the same thing. This is also and this is also. So meter or centimeter. So what you will write down? You will write down power 2. Clear? One another thing. This is perimeter. You will get 12 plus minus 10. So here also one. Let us assume this is 3 meter. So you can say, sir, here also meter, the meter power 2. No, student, this is wrong. If plus sign is given between both, so you will write a single term. But if here multiplication is given, this concept of power we will discuss in the next chapter because this is based on exponent and power. Clear? But for this time, you have to understand if multiply is given and 2 same things given. Clear? So power 2, 3 same thing given, yani power 3. But in plus, no matter. When we have to write on one time. Clear? This concept also we will discuss in square and square root. Chalo, come on the question. What is given? Find the area of the rectangle whose sides are given. A part I will discuss. Sides are given. Area of the rectangle whose sides are given. The sides are given what? 3 centimeter and 4 centimeter. 3 centimeter and 4 centimeter. Of area you know that what? Area equal to simply you will multiply L into B. Of L you have to find out the unit of writing which one is L, which one is B. You know that length is always greater. So there is no need of writing, but you can write at what? 4 into 3 because for you know that L into B are B into L, same process. This will become what? 12 and this is what? This is given in centimeter. So centimeter, 1 minute. Write down here in proper way 4 centimeter into 3 centimeter or multiply 2 times 4 3 are 12 and centimeter how many times you will write down? Centimeter square. Is that clear student? So this you have to write down. In your book it is also given 12 square centimeter. So this SQ is square both are same. ठीक है ना? It depends on you what you want to write down. This is also correct and this one is also your correct answer. Clear? Okay. So this is the area of the what? Area of the rectangle. Clear? Now next question is given. Next question you have to find out area of the square. Now you know that what is the meaning of area of square student? Area of square means I explain the formula. Area of square. Clear student? Now area of square you know that what? Side into side. Yesterday I explained. Why? Because you know that in area both sides are given. Clear? So when you will find a formula, it will become side multiplied by side. Clear? And perimeter student is perimeter is what? Perimeter if this is square. So this 4 sides are given. So perimeter is the sum of all sides and area is the this region. You have to find out this side region. So if area means the boundary enclosed by this side. ठीक है ना? Inside and perimeter means the boundary. You have to find out the total length of the boundary. But in area you have to find out this inside. Clear? So this is the concept of area and rectangle, area and perimeter. We discussed in previous video. There I am giving only overview. So area of square is side to side. In formula we discussed. So you know that side to side. What is given? Find the area of the square whose sides are 10 cm. So side first is 10 cm. This one is side, this one is side. Both are same. Again you will write down 10 cm. This will become what? 10 tangents to 100. 100 you will write down and centimeter 2 times and multiply. This will become centimeter square. Or you can write down 100 square centimeter. This is also correct. In examination you will write down only one answer. Here I am writing for your concept. If these both answers are correct, don't be confused. Here, centimeter square is also correct, and this square, SQ means square, means this two. Clear student? So this is about area of the square. I think this is clear about the area of the square student. Now move to the next question. So our next question is given. Next question is given. The length and breadth of 3 rectangles are given below. Which one has the largest area and which one has the smallest area? The third question is also based on same student. You have to find out area L into B and compare which one is the greater. Now come to the question. Question of 4 is given. Question of 4 is given. The area of rectangular garden is 50 meter long. Means a long is unit length of garden. You have to write down the proper way. Equal to what? Length of garden student is given 50 meter. And what is given? Area of garden. Here I am writing this and you write the total. ठीक है ना? Don't do this comma. Only I am using. Okay. So area of the garden is given what? 300 square meter. यानी 300 meter square. Both are same. This is given na? Okay. Find the width of the garden. Find what? Width. System why I am writing step by step. For this you will find out what information is given and what you have to find out. Here. So this is you have to write it this way. Now what you have to find out width? Width means what? Width means breadth. Breadth and width are same things. Is it clear? Okay. So now length of rectangular garden is given, area is given. अब you know that कि area of garden is what? It is given कि area of rectangular garden. तो rectangle means you know that rectangle is in the form of rectangle. Okay? हाँ, always remember कि a garden is what type of garden? Circular garden is given, rectangular garden is given, or square type of garden is given. So in the question it is mentioned कि garden is in the form of rectangle. Clear student? अब rectangle is given. अब you know that the area of rectangle is given. Formula you know that the area of rectangle is what? Why you use area? Because here area is given. If perimeter was given, you will use perimeter. But here area is given. You will write down area of rectangular garden. Area of rectangular garden equal to what? अब area of rectangular garden equal to L into B student. L into B. This you know that very well. Now equal to, अब you know that length is given what? Length is given 50 meter. So write down length 50. Breadth you don't know. Breadth R you should know. Write down B. Another thing what you know student, area you know that area is what student? Area is 300. 300 meter square meter both are same. Or this is also 50 meter. Yeah, meter equivalent. Okay. Up you have to find out B now. So what you do student? 300 meter square upon breadth is given 50 meter. So write down 50 meter. Clear? Equal to breadth. Simply we have to divide it. 1 0 1 0 you cancel out student. Clear? 5 6 what? 5 6 30. And here 1 meter is given. 1 and here 2. So 2 and 1. This will 1 will reduce. You can reduce one thing. जैसे 4 is given, 2 is given. 2 to the 4 ना. Same concept you have to apply. Here power 2 is given, power 1 is given. 1 will reduce. Okay. So this will become what? B equal to, then you can write down B equal to what? 6 meter. This is what student? This is your breadth. You can also check the length is 50 meter and breadth is 6 meter. So when you will find out area of the rectangle, area of rectangle is what? L into B. So length is what? Length is 50 meter and breadth is what? Breadth is 6 meter. L into B, you know that area and 50 into 6 it will come 300 meters square. Yani our answer is correct. Yes student? I think this question is very clear. Everyone, we have to write down step by step what information is given and what we have to find out. Yes, you have to check what information is given and what you have to find out. In your copy, you have to write down first what is given and what in actually you have to find out. Yes, no? Now come to the next question. Next question is given. Question number now 5th question. What is the cost of tiling a rectangular plot of land 500 meter long and 200 meter wide at the rate of 8 per 100 square meter? Now you have to little bit confused what is meant 8 per 100 square meter. Now first come to the question of 5 is given. What is the cost of tiling a rectangular plot? One important thing here, what is given? Rate is given 8 per 100 square meter per 100 square meter. Student, this is the key of the question. Clear? If you will understand this thing, you will solve the question very easily. But what is the meaning of this student? Rate is given 8 per 100 square meter. The first tell me one thing. In this question, what you have to find out? You have to find out area or you have to find out area. First you have to check what you have to find out. Yesterday we discussed one thing. If cost is given per 100, remove this. Only focus on this. Only focus on this. Square. Only have to focus on. What is this is square meter. So what I explained, if square meter is given, or simply if square meter is given or square centimeter, this means what? This means this one. Clear? Both are same. So if this type of thing is given, a meter square, centimeter square, kilometer square, it means you have to find out area. Yes, Yesterday I explained. Next thing, if meter is given only, or centimeter is given only single, you know that what? You have to find out perimeter. Is that clear, student? Yesterday we discussed now, and in previous question also we discussed unit of perimeter is in meter or centimeter, but unit of area is meter square or centimeter square. Because I explained, you have to multiply 2 times and multiply into power will be 2. I think this is clear. So in this question, first one thing is clear, we have to find out area because first is given square meter. Yes. So now what is given? Length L is given 500 meters square. Okay, and breadth is given what? 200 meters. Okay, breadth same thing. Up area, this side में square meter is given, to find out area equal to what? L into d square. Clear? L is what? 500 meter. B is what? 200 meter. Clear? Area equal to, it is 5 to the 10 and 40. Or don't try to multiply like this. Now you are in class 6. Try to do multiplication faster. How? 5 to the 10, 5 to the 10, 10. And how many zeros given? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Yes, sir? This will come in what? This will come in meter square. Because this is also in meter, this is also in meter. And multiply sign is, this is what? This is area. But this is not our correct answer. Why? You have to find out what? You have to find out cost. ठीक है ना? Okay. Student, you know that what is meaning of this per? Per means divide. Clear? This is form of divide. Okay. So rate is given 8 per 100 square meter, and it is what? It is 1 10 100 1000 per lakh. 1 lakh meter square. Yani the cost of 100 square meter is equal to 8. Clear? So you have to find out rate as 8 per 100 square meter. 8 per 100 square meter is what? 8 per means I explain divide. 100 is given, divide. Clear? Again I am going to explain. 8 is given, the cost is given 8. Per is given, so per means this divide. 100 is given, 100 square meter. The square meter, it is coming as square meter. What you will do? Cost you will find out. The cost you will write down. This one you will write down. Clear? Into 8 upon what? 8 upon 100. Because 8 upon 100 is the cost. 0, 0, 0 you cancel. Clear? So here our cost is what? Rupees 8,000. Clear, student? This is our cost. So focus on question, student. See, question was very easy. Only first thing you have to decide, you have to find out area per meter. So we decide according to the what? Cost. So in cost you will decide. Cost is in meter, simply meter or centimeter. You find out perimeter. If cost is in square meter or centimeter square, you have to find out what? You will find out area. Yes, student. I think this question is very clear. Very well. I explain the question for clearing the concept because the perimeter and area concept is very important, student, for class 7, 8, 9, 10 or any class. Clear? And in competitive examination, the question also, so many questions will come from this. If your base will not clear, then how will you qualify for any exam? Clear? Due to this, I am explaining again and again. So you have to focus on concept. Now next question is given, student. 6th question is very easy, you can solve yourself. Come on, question number 8. One important thing, student, if one is given just 5 meter and second is given 10 centimeter. Clear? You have to convert it same quantity. Clear? Same quantity. If this one is meter, this one also will be in meter. So this thing you know that. Now in previous chapter we discussed. I think you know this very well. 8th question. A floor is 5 meter long and 4 meter wide. Floor 5 meter wide. Yani 5 meter long. Yani length equal to 5 meter and breadth equal to 4. ठीक है. Next is given. A square carpet of size 3 meter is laid on the floor. Square carpet of 3 meter equal to 3 meter is laid on the floor, student. Here, what is given? Find the area of the floor that is not carpeted. What is the meaning of Suppose at your home, this is your floor. Okay, so carpet, you know that na? Carpet is a form of thick cloth which you use to for floor, जैसे for looking good, है ना? तो if this one is your carpet, जैसे some carpet cover total floor and some carpet cover only some part. जैसे in at your home you want to you want to lay out the carpet, तो some carpet come cover all the floor and some carpet come little bit small. It depend on you. ठीक है ना? Carpet you know that like the rain. Okay, so this is your carpet. Clear? So if see very carefully, if this is your total length of the floor in the form of rectangle, in the form of square, it's depend on you. But here is given what length and breadth is given, so this should be what? This should be rectangle, and in question also it is given not given. 3 meter for length and breadth is given, it means in the form of rectangle. So if this one is carpet student and total area is this one, so how much left student? You can say that this part is left. Our this part is left. And square carpet is given, diagram is a little bit wrong. Square carpet is given if this is your rectangular floor and yet square carpet is given. Okay, this is square. So this carpet only cover this part. This part from this one is left. Clear? So what you will do, if anyhow you find out the area of this total rectangle, anyhow you have to find out the area of this total rectangle and this is square. So what you will do is you will subtract this part from this rectangle. We will find out this left part. Simple. So what you can do is first we will find out what area of the floor. Okay student, area of the floor. Now you know that area equal to what? L into B. Right now L into B. So length is what student? 5 meter. Right now 5. Breadth is student 4 meter. 4 meter. Is that clear student? You know that 5 over what? 20 and what? Meter square. Is that clear? First step is clear. Area of the floor is clear. Now, area of this question, because we have to find both area and we have to subtract. Area of square carpet. Okay? Now, we know that area of this question I is what? Side into side. Okay? We'll write down what? Side is what? 3 into 3. It will become 9 meter square. Okay, student? Okay, so now area of the floor is given 20 meter square, area of the square 9 meter square. Now what is given student? We have to find out the area of the floor that is not carpeted. There you can also see total area is 20 meter square, but the length of the carpet is only 9 meter square. So how much left? Simply you can say area. Here I write area that is not carpeted. Area that is not carpeted equal to what? Total area of the floor 20 minus what? Area of the square carpet 9, because only 9 meter square carpet is having, it will become what? 11 meter square. Is that clear student? Okay, again I am going to summarize what you have to do. You have to find out area of the floor, you have to find out area of the square carpet. Now you can see the area is total 20 and the length of the carpet is 9 meter square. So what left is 11 meter square area left, that is not carpet. Clear student? So I think this question is very clear to everyone. Okay. So now move to the next question. And each question you have to do with a clear copy. Explanation I given properly. It's your responsibility for you to do all questions. Otherwise, your concept will not clear. In next class, you will also face the problem and also coming examination. Okay, student. Now question number 9. Question number 9. What is given? Question number 9 is given. 5 square flower bed each side of 1 meter are dug on a piece of land 5 meter long and 4 meter wide. Okay. what is the area of the remaining part of the land? Question is same student, only language is different. 5 square flower bed. अब you know that student flower bed like bouquet. जैसे my dad is not telling. If this is a flower bed, clear? If this is a flower bed, जैसे तो 5 flower bed is each side of 1 meter are dug on a piece of land 5 meter long. यानी total land is given 5 meter long. If this is 5 meter long, ठीक है ना? In this, what is given? 5 square flower bed. यानी 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 square flower bed is dug. Dug means in this, मतलब this put in the this area. Clear? Okay. Whose land 5 meter long and 4 meter wide. And 5 meter long and 4 meter wide is given. And what is the area of the remaining part of the land? Achha. Now come to the question. It is given. This is the flower bed. So this type of 5 flower bed is given. Yes, and whose side is only 1 meter and it is in the form of square. Sorry, this flower bed is in the form of square. This is in the form of square. Okay, and side is 1. And this type of how many flower beds are given? 5 flower bed. And this flower bed, what is the area? Area of the rectangle. Area is given in the form of rectangle. Whose length and breadth is given. So you have to find out after putting 5 flower bed, how much land is left. Clear? So now same concept we have to apply like carpet. First you have to find what? First you have to find out area of one flower bed. Area of one flower bed equal to what is called area of the one flower bed means area of square area of flower bed in the form of square. We will write down what 1 into 1 because area of the square from the side to side. This will become what 1 meter square. I think is everyone clear by 1 into 1 because side to side. So side is 1 meter, 1 into 1. Okay, because in the form of square. So now I can write down area of 5 flower. अब area of 1 flower is 1 meter square. जैसे cost of 1 pen is equal to 10 rupees. So cost of 2 pen is equal to 2 into 10. This is you know that. Okay. So now come to the question. The area of 5 flower will multiply by 5. Write down 5 multiplied by 1. यानी 5 meter. Is that clear, student? Now next is what is given? Land. Land is 4 meter long, 5 meter long, and 4 meter wide. Now we know that area of the land you have to find. Area of land. What is given? 5 meter long and 4 meter wide. And area L of being given. What you have to find? You have to find what? Simply area of the rectangle. Area of land equal to L into B. यानी 5 meter and 4 meter. Okay. So this will become what? This will become 20 meter square. Okay. So this is our area of the land and this is our area of the flower bed. Of what we have to find out? Come to the question. What is the area of the remaining part of the land? You have to find out area of remaining part of the land. Clear? So what you can do, student? You have to find out area of remaining land. Here you can see the area of land is 20 meter square and the area of 5 flower bed is 5 meter square. Okay, yani the 5 flower bed consists only 5 meter square. Area left next to it because area is total 20 meter square and flower bed area covering only 5 meter square. What left is student? Area of remaining land equal to 20 meter square minus 5 meter square. Is that clear, student? Everyone, I think clear. Area of remaining part equal to what? It will become 20 minus 5, 50 meter square. This is your solution. Again, I am going to summarize it. First, we will find area of one flower bed. Now, area of one flower bed, we know that side to side. Side is 1 meter is given 1 into 1. So area of 5 flower bed is 5 into side. sorry, 5 into area of 1 flower bed. If you have to find out 2, you will multiply by 2, but then 5 is going to multiply by 5. Next is area of the land. Now land is in the form L and B, L into B. You know that L into B, student? 5 into 4, it will come 20 meters square. Okay, yani area, total area of the land is 20 meters square, and total area covered by the flower bed is 5 meters square. So how much left? And subtract your answer will come. Clear, student? So for today, till we will discuss till question number 9. Next video, student, we will discuss the next question. Till you have to solve all the question, you have to clear all your doubts and focus on the concept. Clear, student? So